na-impress. Siyempre, unang-una sa ginawa nilang dance routine, sa kanilang production value. And siyempre, alam ko, sigurado ako na pagpunta ko sa Dubai sa February 27, hindi kukwento nila sa akin na nag-enjoy sila sa mga napanood nila.
Alright! Michelle and Jean.
What I really don't understand is that why do some judges keep on singling out some performances when in fact this is a group performance? So let's look at it from the perspective of a group. As a group, you were super. You were synchronized with your movements. It was an enjoyable number to watch.
At habang nanonood ako, isa lang ang naisip ko, isang salita lang. What? Achieve.
Super. Achieve. You know what? Hey, Snake Eyes, Snake Eyes. Hey, Snake Eyes.
Mga totos.
Hey, Snake Eyes. You know what? Because of what you did, we cannot help but do the snake dance as well. Hey, G, let's do it. 1, 2, 3.
May tanong lang ako.
Yes.
Yung sa ahas. Excuse me, ahas. Baka mandag ko ba?
Hindi na. Alright, congratulations back to your seminar.
Ayan, nawag na ito sa kalambaan.
Mahabol pa. Eto na si Shiva.
Magkagano ka, no?
Anong kaguluhan nito? Anong?
Nalilito ako.
Naniningil pa ako. Wala pa yung call time ko. Ba't mo ko tinawag? Sino ka?
Shivaker, ikaw kasi nakaka-inspire.
Sino ka? Shibaker. Shibaker ka rin. Since Shibaker ka, may tanong ako sa'yo. Kasi kaka-Chinese New Year lang. Bakit walang Bombay New Year? Nagtatampo talaga ako eh. Pero kung talagang, kung ikaw ay tunay na Shibaker, ano ang iyong power?